Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 Explorer Platinum in Platinum White. With a medium cream leather interior and seating for 7, this 4-door SUV has a 3.5-liter V6 4-wheel drive Ecoboost engine, as well as a safe and smart package. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can power fold, and there's memory settings for 3 separate drivers. The driver enjoys a powered massaging seat with lumbar support. There's also that nice luxurious leather and that platinum badging on the side there. Off to the side are your lighting controls and your dash lights, as well as tow haul, which we've shown up above in the dash, and your power opening trunk. Just there are your power pedals, and your steering wheel can power tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, adaptive cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume, as well as on both left and right hand sides, you have paddle shifters. This is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and press the start button. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also 2 menus you can toggle through. Off to the left hand side there, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Off to the right hand side there, entertainment, navigation, phone, speedometer, and these also all have sub-menus, and notice how they change color. Off to the side there's your touchscreen media display center, You can click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth stereo. You can click over into climate for settings such as your heated steering wheel in the top left there. You also have navigation, and you can click over into settings and slide across for settings such as your Wi-Fi hotspot, ambient lighting, and massaging seats. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that, hazard lights, parking sensors, park assist, and your front camera. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner. You have dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Below that is a storage bin with a USB outlet and a 12-volt outlet. Automatic shifter, couple of cup holders, and just at the bottom there's also where you'll see your ambient lighting. Just here you have drive mode. Give that a twist, it'll be shown up above in the dash. Mud and rut, sand mode, snow, gravel, grass, and background again to normal. Just in the center of that dial there, you have hill descent. And in your armrest, there's a clip on the end there. Give that a press. There's plenty of room in there, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Off to the sides, your locking glove compartment. Up above, auto-dimming rear view mirror, sunglasses holder, universal garage door opener, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 20-inch wheels, chrome door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad. Your back hatch has a spoiler, as well as a rear windshield wiper. Just below that Explorer badge is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so from the inside. You can use the handle, or you can double click your key fob, and it will power open for you. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just there you're seeing your extra carpeted mats. On the right hand side there's a speaker, and on the left hand side, lighting, a 12-volt outlet, and those buttons to power down that 3rd row seat. As well as on both left and right hand sides, there are hooks and anchors to hold things down. When you're ready to close up that hatch, you can use your key fob again. You can use the handle in the top right there, or you can press that button off to the left, and it will chime to let you know that it's closing securely. You can then lock it up and walk away, or head out on your latest adventure. Your key fob also has remote start. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The 2nd row has seating for 3 in a 60-40 split. There's also that nice luxurious leather. When you're ready to access that 3rd row, there's a button on the side of the headrest. Simply push that button, and then there's a handle on the side of the seat. Pull that handle up, and the seat will fold down for access into the 3rd row with seating for 2 in a 50-50 split. The 3rd row seats have anchors at the base of the seat, as well as 3-point seat belts, storage cup holder, and speaker just above there, and up above, vents and lighting. When you're ready to put that second row seat back up in its original position, simply take your hand underneath and push until it clicks in the upright position, and then fold the headrest back up. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. In the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, all-weather mats. Behind the front seats, slim pockets. In the center there, a couple of cup holders, 2 USBs, a 110-volt rear heated seats, and rear climate control. Grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. And up above, vents, hooks, lighting, and that dual moonroof. Passenger side capless easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass, window vents, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, front camera, front parking sensors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.